All right, so we're gonna go down the hill on the sled and y'all are gonna ride with me. It's about 30 degrees. Be bad you run into me and wipe out. So between trying to avoid going in that pond over there, walking up here, my niece and nephew just went swimming an hour ago in the creek. We're gonna see how this works. This ought to be interesting, Janessa. I'm gonna hold a phone and video it as I go down the hill. Yeah. You going? Up, up. That was almost a trunk stump. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna try to hold this phone. I hope this works out. Trying to get some good use. That's true. Trying to get some good YouTube content here. I'm gonna try to go between there. So here goes. Here we go. Oh. I went the same path they went. That's exactly where they went off in. Here we go again. I'm gonna sit up this time. All right. All right, I'm gonna give y'all one more run down the hill here. See, how should I do this? Do it while it's going down. Huh? You should let the view be that way. Yeah, I know, but I'm saying, should I lay down or sit up? I was going pretty fast sitting up. I'm gonna kind of lay back. It's all about the video, even if you wipe your nephew out doing it. Got some virgin streets here, kind of doing a little sliding around a little bit here.